The tracks area of GarageBand is the main workspace of the program. So let's take a look at that now. At the top, you're going to see the playhead, which is the vertical line that you can move and scrub through the project. There's also a ruler that shows you different types of beats or time signatures and vertical lines horizontally and vertically to help you line things up. Next is the track area menu bar. Here you can see you can add new tracks, show hide automation, and a button to catch playhead. What that button does is when it's selected and you hit play, your screen will actually follow the playhead. If you deselect this button and you hit play, the playhead can just run off of the screen and you will just keep looking at the section that you were looking at. On the far right is a zoom slider, so you can actually zoom in and see the instruments and tracks, or zoom out and see the whole project. On the left, we have the track headers, and they have track names that you can double click and change the name. Track icons, which you can right click and actually change, so you can give different icons to different instruments that you're using to help categorize those better. Then there is a mute button, which will silence the track while you're working on it. Or a solo button, and this will make it the only track that you hear. There's an input monitoring button, and this button basically sends the track back into your headphones so that you can listen to it while you're recording. You want to keep this off at most times because if you're using maybe external speakers, it can cause feedback into the microphone. There's a volume slider for that particular track so that each track can have different amounts of volume. And then a pan knob for separating that track to the left side or right side when recording stereo. The tracks can come in two forms. They can be a waveform, which is recorded usually with a microphone or instrument, or in piano roll form. And though it says piano roll, it is really a MIDI type of form, so you can see that it's shown by dots based on their height and length of value. So that is the tracks area. This is where you will be spending most of your time, so definitely get familiar with it.